This is one of the most advanced cleanroom panel production lines from China, provided by ERSN. We offer full-line solutions tailored to your needs, ensuring excellent cleanliness, flatness, fire resistance, and airtight performance for industries like electronics, pharmaceuticals, food processing, and more. Step 1. Automated decoiling and film laminating. Step 2. Roll forming and punching and cutting. Step 3. Automatic gluing. Step 4. Internal filling. Step 5. Install cover plates. Step 5. Hot press. Step 5. Automatic stacking.